Hello, everybody. I hope everybody's doing good now that we're in February. My birthday is tomorrow. Woohoo! Watched the Super Bowl game on Sunday. It was so great, wasn't it? Yay, Philly, go! So today, I feel like since I woke up and my hair looks like this, we're gonna do maybe just like 2 braids up and push a little curl in this hair and get going. Ladies, look at those roots. Don't tell nobody. I have to color my hair before my birthday. Don't ever have your birthday and have your gray hair showing. And then you'll never know that you're old on your birthday. You'll still feel young, won't you? I never know how old I am anyways until I look at some pictures and I'm like, damn, girl, you're getting old. I don't feel like that. Do you guys feel like that? Maybe sometimes when I wake up and my bones are creaking, I'm like, damn, girl, you're old. When I don't want to go on that stupid boat ride at the amusement park that goes back and forth. Like, damn, girl, you old. Back in the day, I would have got on anything, any roller coaster, anything. Nowadays, I'm like, nah, I'm cool. I don't want to do that. Nah, I'm cool. I don't want to do that. We get old and we don't want to do shit no more, do we? Damn old age. When you get super old, you don't even want to leave your damn house. Alright, so we're just gonna braid it and keep it there. And we'll puff it out in a minute when I do my next one. Okay. This one going. I hope everybody's having a good February. Valentine's is coming up. Hope you all have a Valentine. And if you don't, be your own damn Valentine. Go get you some chocolates and a margarita. And love yourself. Style your hair in the morning. Look all cute for the day. Have everyone thinking you're going on a hot date for Valentine's. They don't need to know you're just going through the Del Taco drive-thru. Always keep everyone guessing. Alright, got our cute little braids up there. Quick, simple, and easy, that's how we like it, right? And then, we go through and we pull them. Because I like everything big, fat, and juicy. Alright, so we got our 2 little braids on there. Puff it up. We're gonna use the flat iron today because we're just gonna do some some whatevers. Let's do some whatevers. So you get a little bit of a curve here and there. It's whatever. I like to just go right in the middle. Leave the ends out. Some will be more curled than others, some won't. Just take some big pieces. Because you got your braids in, so you just want it to be funky. Anyways. Last monkey. I wanted to get some tattoos on my birthday, but I have to wait because the girls that I wanted to do my tattoos, one is not tattooing this month. Who takes the whole month off? Must be nice. And the other girl, she's a budding artist, so I love me some budding artists. She's getting her certification today. So please, Jesus, let this girl get her license so she can give me some more tattoos. You might see me and I might be buck wild in tattoos. She's excited because I don't ever pick the picture. I just kind of say, what? Well, I want an owl. However you want to do an owl, do me an owl. Okay, so the flat iron fell. Girl, burn your carpet. All right, we've got it. We're back. So, you know, I like to put the back combing in it, put some texture in it. Look like I... And that's it for today. Look how we're going to work. Oh, so cute. Getting ready for our birthday tomorrow, right? Happy birthday if it's your birthday and we're in February, okay? That water sign, lovers, intelligent, we love you all. If you liked the video, press like, subscribe, tell your friends, give it a big thumbs up. We're in February. We're almost going to be halfway through. Anytime now, the year is passing us by. Don't let it pass you by without looking good, feeling good, and styling your hair. Bye-bye.